In this video, we will design this model in SolidWorks. In this, we'll see how to extrude cut this hole and this section, and how to use the shell command to shell this with a 2 mm thickness. Okay, so let's see how we can design this. To design this model, we will follow this reference drawing. In this drawing, we have given a front cut section view and a top view. In the top view, you can see here is one circle of radius 41.50 mm. This cutout gap is of 2 mm and there is one hole of diameter 11 mm. Okay. And in the front cut section, you can see this total height is 56 mm. Then this height is 24 and this diameter is given as 15 mm. This hole is 8 plus 4 mm. That means half of it. That means 12 mm distance from this point in this direction like this, and its thickness, the thickness of the part is 2 mm. Now I will start with this front plane and then sketch. Let's select here one line like this, then horizontal line again like this, and up to here. Turn it over here. Now we have created this sketch. Let's give it some dimensions. So select smart dimension. This height we will give 56 mm. Then this length 41.50 mm, because our diameter is 83 mm, and this thickness we will give 2 mm. Then this angle, it is 43 degree. Then this distance, this is 24 mm, and this distance, this is half of 15, that means 7.50 mm. Okay, so now our sketch is ready. We'll just go to features and select here Revolved Boss. Here we'll give axis of rotation as this line, and you can see in the preview this part will look like this. Now just select OK. Okay. Now here we have to apply shell. So I'll select here shell command, then select this face, and also select this backside face. These two faces are selected. Now here we have to give a thickness. So we'll give here 2 mm and then just select OK. And you can see it's shell. Now I will select here right plane and then sketch. Here we have to create one hole. So we'll start with the circle, and on this center line like this, draw one circle. Smart dimension 8 mm diameter. Then distance of this circle from this point, it is 12 mm. Okay. Now select the center point and this origin point, make them vertical. Now we have to create here one 2 mm cutout. So we'll select here one rectangle. So I will select here center rectangle, and just from this line like this we'll draw one center rectangle. Now just select smart dimension, and this left will give, make it 2 mm, and let's right click and then select Now select this origin point of the rectangle and this origin point and make them vertical. Now select trim entities and with power trim this section and this also, and we'll trim this circular portion also. Okay, now we have to fully define this. So we'll select from here fully define sketch, then just calculate and it's fully defined. Now we'll go to features and select here extruded cut. As you can see, our sketch is in the center. So we'll extrude cut in one direction. Let me make it through all. Okay. Now just click on OK. And you can see this cutout will look like this. Now we have to circular pattern this. So I'll select from your circular pattern. Then in the direction, I will select here this arc, I'll select this edge. And in the features, I'll select this cut extrude. And here we'll give number of entities as 3. Then just select OK. Now we have to create here rib. So again, I will select right plane and then sketch. I'll select here line and like this from this edge to here. Right click, then select, again select line by pressing L, and from this point join it over here and this point. Okay, so we have created this sketch like this. Now select smart dimension and we'll give this height. It is 16 mm, and this point to origin point distance we will give. This should be 30.98 mm. Okay, click on OK here. Now make it fully defined and then just calculate and then click on OK. Now we'll go to features and extrude this. Select here mid plane and extrude it 1 mm. Let me make it 2 mm. Okay, 2 mm is fine. Then just click on OK. You can see this rib. Now we'll circular pattern this rib. So I'll select here circular pattern. Then in the direction, again I'll select this inside edge of the circle, and in the features select this boss extrude, and you can see this 3, and you can see in the preview we have created here 3 number of instances. Now click on OK. So that's it, our part is ready. Now let's give it some appearance by selecting here edit appearance. Then in the color, I'll select here yellow color and then OK. So that's all in this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe us. Thanks for watching.